We back, everybody. We finally got the L brackets to come in. We put tarp and all kinds of stuff on the wood. As you can see, couldn't mow around it. So it's a little crazy right now. But hey, we back. Building the Backyard Montpelier playground set for the triplets. These finally came in. Remember they said it was gonna be 1 to 2 days? Yeah, it was a whole week. Took forever. But let's get it. After getting the L brackets, this is how much we've gotten so far. We're about to put some swings up this mother. But yeah, it ain't been easy. Had to drill some extra holes. Had to screw some extra people. Just joking.
What?
Anyway, this is how far we got. We're gonna keep moving forward. You get the A-beam, babe? All right, let's keep it moving. We've been working our ass off. And we got some monkey bars, y'all. We got some monkey bars. Yeah, the babies are finally out here. We working, y'all. We working. We almost, I don't know if we halfway there, but we working. Oh, hush, Will. All right, then. Hit y'all up in a little bit. We built a motherfucking bay window. Jesus, this took forever. This company, I mean, they suck, y'all. I can't even give them a half star right now, man. We had to drill holes that should have been pre-drilled. We had to use screws that should have worked on one part, but it didn't. So, hey, we out here, man. We out here. But, hey, we got a bay window made. What's up? Hey, your future is out of this window. Yay. All right. Back to the grind. We built the bench. This thing is coming along just fine. Just joking. It took us 12 hours just to put together one bench. This company sucks, but we're making our way. We got a bench today. Tomorrow we get finished with the actual playhouse and hopefully be done with this thing. Oh my gosh, this is just ridiculous. The moon? Noel, what are you doing?
Airplane.
What are you doing, Noel? The boys are relaxing on the bench. Noel is putting together her own little playhouse. Hey, girl. Put that down. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Leave that alone. Good job. All right. Good job.